Seeing the Tyre Sensors Not Detected message on your 2014 Ford Kuga? This means the car's tire pressure monitoring system isn't communicating with one or more tire sensors. The Kuga uses direct TPMS, with sensors inside each tire transmitting pressure data wirelessly to the car's computer. The problem usually stems from three key issues: dead sensor batteries that last 5 to 7 years, sensor damage from road hazards or poor installation, or the need for a TPMS relearn after tire rotations or replacements. Ignoring this can lead to inaccurate pressure readings and potential safety risks. This video will guide you through diagnosing and fixing the problem. First, try a TPMS relearn procedure. Drive at 25 to 50 kilometers per hour for 10 to 20 minutes to wake up the sensors. For the 2014 Kuga, use an OBD2 tool to manually start train mode. Turn ignition on, select TPMS menu, follow prompts. If that doesn't work, check sensor batteries using a TPMS tool to read IDs and status. Batteries can't be replaced directly. If a sensor shows low battery, replacement is the only option. Costs 50 to €100 each. Ensure your tires are at the correct pressure. Many owners use DIY TPMS reset kits and apps to solve the problem, saving time and money. If DIY methods fail, consult a certified technician.